In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D image in Adobe Photoshop CC.
If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value.
Once you have your image loaded, make sure to resize or rescale the image so that it fits the whole frame. The next step is to duplicate your image, Ctrl+J. In this case, we're going to lock our image by clicking the plus or the lock icon. Okay, now once we have the image we'd like to make 3D, in this case, I'm going to resize or make it smaller and rescale and click OK. I'm also going to click the original and I'm going to add a Gaussian blur. Uncheck Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur and adjust this to according what you like and then lock your layer again. Now the image that you would like to make 3D, basically what you want to do, click the up arrow key once, the left arrow key once, and then on your keyboard, Ctrl-Shift-Alt-T or Command-Shift-Alt-T. As you can see, it copied your image and you want to do this multiple times. So as you can see, now we have 21 copies of the image, and if I zoom in here, you can tell that this looks a little bit 3D. What you want to do is to have the image of the copy selected, scroll down and hold down Shift and click the original image. So it highlights everything and right click and click Convert to Smart Object. A bonus tip is to right-click the image and click Blending Options. And in this case, you can add a drop shadow, bevel, contour, texture, and click OK. And you can repeat the process one more time. Up arrow left, Ctrl-Shift-Alt-T, Convert to Smart Object. And this is the before. And this is the after.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.